Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up dual SIM on your iPhone. First of all, make sure your iPhone supports dual SIM. Most newer iPhone supports one physical nano SIM and one eSIM, while the latest models can even support two eSIMs at the same time. Now, to add an eSIM, open the Settings app, then tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. After that, tap on Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan. Then, if your carrier gives you a QR code, just scan it with your iPhone camera. Alternatively, you can enter the details manually if needed. After that, you can set labels for each line such as personal, work or so on so you know which number is which. Then choose which line you want to use as your default line for calls, messages and mobile data. Now, once both SIMs are set up, you can easily switch between them. For an instance, before making a call, you can choose which line to use by tapping the primary or secondary option at the top left corner of your screen. And that's all. You've successfully set up dual SIM on your iPhone, making it easy to manage two numbers on the same device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.